is up, you lovely lot? Today's mini vlog is going to be from, you've guessed it, Volcano Bay, our favourite water park here in all of Florida. And there's a love bug flying over me.
Nice day.
But keep going, keep going, keep going. Get away. And with all that craziness happening, some of the videos that you're going to see, some of the slides, well, that will be from previous years because you need special permission from Universal to film. So we're going to check in with them and we'll see how we go on. But for now, enjoy today's mini vlog here at Volcano Bay, you lovely lot. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous here, Volcano Bay. Oh, wow. No wonder why you're my favourite water park in the world. In the world. Best water park I've ever been to. Oh, come on, Big Pig, we need to get on some slides. How was that? Loved it. Yeah, best water slide I've ever been on. Yeah. Ever. I love it.
Which is the blue side? Come in, thank you. Cheers.
Hold on, Binky! Oh my God! There's more, Jen! No. Did you like it, Jen?
Yeah.
I loved it. That was so good. I'm gonna go on again. Round 2, baby.
Oh, that is hot.
That is really hot on that floor.
It burns! It burns us!
Incredible.
Yeah, it looks like
Woohoo! That's Binky! Wow! Oh, that's so good! Hey! Oh, Jenny! Whoa! Whoa! This is so fast! I love it! Hold on, Jenny! Whoa! Up next is Oh No and Oh Yeah. Bink doesn't like these style of slides, so it's just me going on.
Oh, no.
Whoa! Whoa, boys! Whoa! This is fun! Wow! That is legit! We're getting our first guava. This looks delicious. But one thing we will be getting later on is this tiki beer. Here we go. Jen's gonna have the first sip.
these are all okay.
How is it? Is it good? I need some of that. Here we go. Cheers, guys. Yeah, man. You might have seen our last Volcano Bay vlog, you know, the one where we was running. Ooh, this ground is so hot. But I like it. And Jen's feet were burning. To the right. We forgot to bring our water shoes, so use our video as a reminder to pack your water shoes. You're gonna need them.
Those must be comfortable shoes. I bet you could walk all day in shoes like that and not feel a thing.
But did we learn from that?
I forgot them. I forgot them.
Look at us hiding in the shade.
In the hotel.
It's so hot. Right, come on, Big, back to the chair.
Give me a big kiss.
Finally made it, ain't we?
You're alright, get a root.
Well, there's
Looking forward to it?
yeah.
Good. That's what we're gonna go for. Island barbecue chicken, and I'm gonna get the Hawaiian longboard pizza. Yummy. Here comes my express delivery. There you go, that's all you need. Gorgeous Bink to the rescue. And that looks delicious. Wow. I wasn't expecting it to look that good. Yeah. You saved me, Bink, and my feet. Yeah, the moral of the story is don't forget your sliders or your flip-flops or whatever.
They did have Powerade.
I know, thank you so much. Obviously I've gone for the Hawaiian. And my gorgeous Bink has got the barbecue. And it smells as good as it looks. Yummy. Okay, we're trying to do some amazing photos, but I can't do it because I can't stand on here. It's too damn hot. I can't do it. So I'm hiding in the shade while Bink gets all the good shots. Look at her, she's so amazing. Do the love heart one. Oh, you should do a jump. You have to, he does like, he blinks his eyes. Do you know what, if you press it, I will run in and do a jump. Jen's just showing off now, look. She's got the flip-flops on. She can walk all nicely. I'm absolutely suffering, but it's my own fault for not bringing my water shoes. But look at that for a view. Amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Right to the shade. Ooh.
My skin hurts. I need sun cream.
You do need sun cream. You are red.
So red.
Uh-oh. Tapu Tapu. No keepy keepy.
No.
Bye bye Tapu Tapu. Where is it? Oh, right over there. Ta-da! Bye! Awesome! They probably make you go through it now. Oh, I like it!
Wearable detected.
Yeah, oh, it's her.
I thought that's pretty clever.
It is clever.
Yeah, I like it. So this is it. Another fun day at Volcano Bay. And I still like how I say it. Volcano Bay. Anyway, thank you so much to everyone that we've got to meet today. Come and stopped us and said hi. Thank you for all the support. We continue to reach out and say, do what makes you happy. Life is too damn short. Do exactly what you want to do and enjoy all those good times. Make every moment count. Ain't that right, my gorgeous big thing?
Yeah. And
remember after sun, and remember flip-flops, and water shoes. Don't forget any of them things. Anyway, love and respect from Get Binky. Bye!